iMovie allows for a quick addition of transitions to your edits, but what exactly are transitions for? A transition is a way to ease the jump from one clip to another, and there are two types of transitions. First, those that try to hide the jump from one clip to another, and secondly, the transitions that advertise the change between those two clips. The first hide type is restricted to the first four choices that iMovie offers you. That's cross dissolve, cross blur, fade to black, and fade to white. All the other transitions fall into the second Advertiser category. You use the first four to ease the change. You use the other transitions to promote the start of something new or to highlight something you want your viewer to see. Transitions can only be placed between clips of the timeline. You find them in the Transitions tab above the browser. You drag them to the gap between clips. And you can change the type of transition by dragging another inside the transition already in the timeline. You can change the length of the transition by double-clicking it and setting a duration. Click Apply to set the length, but be careful about Apply All, as it changes all the other transitions currently in the timeline, not just the new length, but also whatever the transition effect was that you applied. In this case, all the transitions currently in the timeline will be changed to circle open and 1 second in length. I said you can only drag between clips. Well, that's not exactly true. Consider this. If you split a clip, it now becomes 2 clips, so you can put a transition between them. Press Command plus B or right-click, select Split. If you right-click again, you can add the default transition, Cross Dissolve. And that's it for the simple use of transitions in iMovie. There's a follow-up video that discusses more advanced ways of using transitions, and I trust you've learned something that you didn't already know. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, and press the bell to be notified of new videos every Sunday.